Everyone, so today we're going to learn about the ANSYS Workbench. So our first topic is Introduction to ANSYS Workbench. So computer aided engineering is a branch of engineering that uses computer software to simulate and analyze the performance of engineering designs. CAE encompasses a wide range of applications including finite element analysis, which is FEA, computational fluid dynamics, which is CFD, and multi-body dynamics, known as MBD. The use of CAE tools has become essential in the designs and the development of new products in many industries, which includes automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. So next will be the benefits of CAE. So using CAE, we can reduce the development time and the cost. So CAE enables the engineers to simulate and analyze the performance of their designs in a virtual environment, reducing the need for physical prototypes. This reduces development time and cost as engineer can identify and address the design issues early in the development process. Improve product quality. CAE enables engineers to optimize the performance of their designs, leading to better product quality. Additionally, CAE tools can simulate the behavior of the product under extreme conditions, ensuring that the product meets the required safety and the performance standard. The next is enhanced design optimization. CAE tools enables the engineers to explore the different designs alternative quickly and effectively, leading to better design decisions. This allows engineers to optimize the performance of their designs, reducing weight, improving fuel efficiency, and enhancing their safety. And next is increase the innovation. CAE enables the engineers to push the boundaries of the design by exploring new concepts and ideas. This can lead to development of a new product and technologies that would not have been possible without the use of CAE. Now we will going to learn about the how the ANSYS Workbench. So ANSYS is one of the best analysis and simulation software used to simulate the engineer's solution. ANSYS 2.0 was released as the first version in the year of 1971. ANSYS simulates 3D models of structures or machine parts designed to stress, strength, temperature distribution, thermal conductivity, elasticity, fluid flow, airflow, etc., which means it includes all the analysis on the models. Most of the analysis performed in an ANSYS APDL and simulations into ANSYS Workbench, which are one of the main products. So it became easier and flexible software used to analysis and simulation of the engineering designs and used by millions of engineers all over the world. In ANSYS Mechanical Solutions, we have to import 3D model of the complex assemblies and can rapidly find the solutions of the complex geometries and can perform analysis of stress, strength, vibration and motion of system. So next will be the system requirements. In order to install ANSYS in our laptop or the desktop, this would be the system requirements, which requires 64-bit Intel or AMD system running Windows 10. It should have 8 GB RAM and a dedicated graphics card with latest drivers and at least 1 GB video RAM, capable of supporting OpenGL 4.5 and DirectX 11 or higher. Use of integrated graphics is not recommended and is not supported by the analyze stage in discovery, and it should have a 3-button mouse. So now we are moving forward with the practical of ANSYS software. So how we can start the ANSYS software, we're gonna see in a practical way. You just have to double click on the software, then this window will appear. So in order to start with one of the simulations, you just have to click on the simulations and just drag it and drop it in the create standalone system. Like this. So this will be your project window. Here you can see the model, engineering data, geometry, model setup and solutions and the result of the project that we would consider in this. Next is unit in ANSYS Workbench. In order to set the units, so there is a one way. In that you can go to the units and here you can see the SI unit, metric and the US customary unit. So we always set the units from this unit tab.